Okay, so the big idea with this problem is that we need to find the area of the deck, which means that we need to find the entire area of this circle minus the smaller circle and the area of this smaller circle, okay? So what we're doing is we're saying, and for area, area is pi times the radius squared, okay? So we need the radius of this right here, okay? And if it's 5.4 for the diameter, then it is 2.7 for the radius. Now, added to that, 2.7 and this 2.2 is 4.9. So this big circle has a radius of 4.9. So basically what we're saying is the area of the big one, 4.9, the radius squared times pi, and that will give the entire area minus the radius of the smaller area in the center, 2.7 squared times pi. Okay, and I don't know whether I didn't put the multiple choice answers in here or what. I'm not seeing it, so but we'll just solve it out anyway. Okay, we say, let's see, 4.9 squared equals 24.01 pi meters squared minus 2.7 squared is 7.29. So 7.29 pi meters squared. And when we subtract these numbers, say this minus that equals 16.72 pi meters squared. And I don't know what they listed for our answers, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take that and multiply it by pi, and we get 52.5-ish, rounded off to 52.5 meters squared as our area. My apologies for not having the multiple choice answers in there, but that's how you do it. You say the area of the larger one, which is based on the radius, and in this case you have to calculate the radius by saying I need to find how much this is from here to here. And since this is 5.4, this is 2.7, so from here all the way out is 2.7 plus 2.2. So radius squared times pi is the area of the larger circle, and you subtract away whatever the smaller circle is. And you also need the radius for that, so you do pi times radius squared there, and then just calculate it out. Okay?